Hey, how's it going, traders? In this video, we are going to break down a stock that IPO'd just 2 days ago. Ticker symbol SEV. We are up already a few $1,000s on this stock. Super excited to bring it to your attention. Now, what is this stock? What do they make? And overall, what does this company do? So all that and more, going right up. Before the video begins, I just want to say the first link in my description. If you guys before the video begins, click the first link in my bio. 100% free Discord to join. Plus, we have free lessons for you guys to get started, and you can stay up to date with every single day trade we're taking, every single swing trade we're taking, and stocks we're investing in, period. Also, the second link is for our TikTok. We go live and day trade every single day in the stock market at 9:15 EST, so you don't want to miss out. We made over 50% gain trading LGVN today. You do not want to miss these live streams. They're extremely impactful and extremely informational. Now, if you already joined the Discord and followed the YouTube channel, please consider liking and or subscribing because it really helps out this YouTube channel. I can't say how much I appreciate you guys, every single one of you that like, because it motivates me to make more videos and do more research on stocks like this. But anyways, guys, let's get right in the video. So SONO Motors, I'm super excited to bring this technology in a video and actually invest in this technology. Now, what they do is they create an electric vehicle, but there's a twist. It's charged by the sun. Now, you might think there's no way it can be charged by the sun. Now, disclaimer, it's not 100% charged by the sun, but due to the solar cells underneath its exterior wall, it can increase battery life. It can charge, I think, 20% or more off of just the sun. So super innovative technology. Plus, they plan on licensing this technology to other electric vehicles. Could you imagine if they scored a deal with Tesla, with Lucid, with NIO, with any of these other big name electric vehicles? It'd be huge. And they're the only electric vehicles, as far as I know, to do it. Now, going through the website and looking at its key highlights, what I look for in some of these EVs is what's the barrier to entry? Meaning, what is their cheapest vehicle and what do I get with my money? Now, with Lucid, I believe it's like $80,000 is their cheapest car. This one is 28,000, just over 28,000 euros. That is fairly inexpensive for the technology you're getting. So the barrier to entry, super low. Down payments, 500 euros. Now, this is a European company. They do have 16,000 pre-orders that I found in this article right here. 16,000 reservations for its vehicles. That's awesome. Again, this was Business Insider, 7 things to know about this EV maker. Now, going back to the website, other key highlights, they're getting rid of the key, the traditional key for your car. It's going to be 100% off of your phone. There's going to be an app. It's going to share everything you need to know about your car. So very cool. Now, it takes 80% of the charging, takes around 35 minutes at a fast charging station. Not bad. Now, it's powered by the sun, it's got 248 solar cells. Super awesome and innovative tech. Like I said, the real money in this company, I believe, is going to be licensing this technology to other big EV companies. Now, it's super beneficial when it comes to your home. It can act as a generator, providing clean energy back into your house, charging it for almost 5 days, which is crazy. That's absolutely insane. So if you're camping, if you have a power outage, I know the Ford Lightning does that for up to 3 days, but this one could do up to 5 days off of the solar packs and off of the battery. Super cool. So those of you who are in the US, I didn't know the exact conversion over my head. That's just under a 200-mile battery. Not super great. It's, again, the Lucid just came out with a 500-mile battery. Also, doing the conversion from euro to dollar, it's about 33,000, so just under what it would be to get a Model 3. I think a brand new Model 3 is around $40,000. A brand new Polestar 2 is like $39.50. So it's one of the cheapest barrier to entry electric vehicles that they can provide. Now, let me go down to low cost maintenance, 100% renewable energy. This is their gallery if you want to look. But as you can see, these are their solar panels. It's not as easy to see walking up to the car, but they're just highlighting the panels and where they're located. And then if you go to this picture, you'll be able to see all 248 solar cells. That's super awesome tech. It gets me super excited because I think if they can continue to innovate that technology, that licensing that technology will be huge for other EVs. Here again, here's that app they're talking about. They're not going to have the traditional key, which is pretty cool because I lose track of my keys all the time. Now, I know Tesla already has something like that. But yeah, that is the stock that we were talking about and the stock that we traded. Now, before we head off, we're going to do a quick technical analysis of where I think it's headed in the short to long term. And I'm going to show you guys a quick clip of us day trading its IPO yesterday. Pretty cool. Now, this is SEV. It had a great day yesterday. We bought it at $23, sold it over $30, like $32. Then it ripped all the way up to $50. And since then, has sold off from $54 all the way back down at $27. Now, going out to the 6-month chart, you can see that its apex volume is now at $29. So it is currently below its apex volume. So I think we are bound for a decent bounce here around the $27 mark. I started a position, a very light position in the $27 range. Actually, $28 was my buy. But I'm looking to add to this position as it goes up in value because I want to see the stock starting to make higher highs and headed back, creating an uptrend and not continually making lower lows. So I'm going to wait. If it breaks below $25, I'm going to look to buy in the low 20s, potentially even teens for my next buy. But if it breaks above $28 a share, makes higher highs, and holds $30 a share tomorrow morning, which I think it will, I'm going to add to my position for a squeeze back up to $40 in the short term. Now, one note I do want to add in this video is I allocated around $300,000 to $200,000 to invest in this company. I do see value in it, but I'm going to wait to get the best average as possible because I'm investing with a large dollar amount. Now, I'm not going to put it all in at once. I'm going to dollar cost average my way in there and then probably swing trade it in a few weeks to then sell and lock in some profit afterwards. So I will keep everyone posted on my buying and what I'm selling in the Discord. Now, as always, make sure to do your own research because this is not financial advice. This is a very volatile stock. So understand how risky it is to invest upon entry. Now, this is a $1 billion market cap. Upon IPO, it's probably around $1.5 to $2 billion now, given its most recent stock evaluation. Going back up to 50 to 40, I think it's around $4 to $5 billion market cap. Now, the thing about this company is the downsides. We already talked about the upsides. The downsides are it's kind of an ugly car, we'll be honest. Its mile battery is pretty low, less than 200 miles. It's hard to compete with other cars, and it's a European company. So they really have to stretch their way over to the US side in order to get a lot more sales. Now, they already do have 16,000 pre-orders, but of that, how many are actually going to buy? Now, if they can even capture 1/10 of what Lucid Motors does in sales, I think the stock will skyrocket because Lucid's market cap is around $60 billion. I think even more with its most recent price jump, and 1/10 of that's about $6 billion. We'll say about $5 billion even. From here, it's got at least a 200% run. So I'm super excited to follow up with this company, and I don't think the real money is necessarily in selling their cars. While yes, that's going to drive a lot of revenue in, I think the real money is licensing this technology. I think Tesla's going to want to have their hands on it. I think Lucid and I think other electric vehicle manufacturers are going to want to have their hands on this technology, especially if they can improve their solar cells to like a 20% occupancy rate. That'll be huge. Now, I'm going to show you guys a quick clip of me day trading. SEV already made almost $10,000 profit on the stock, looking to make much, much more in the near future, especially if they have a catalyst saying that they already licensed to a big EV manufacturer. But other than that, guys, here's a clip of me day trading, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Peace. Bought for the break of 24, added at 25, looking to sell over 30. Can we get it? We'll find out. Locking in half profit at $27. Holding the other half for squeeze up to 30. There's 28. 28.60. There's 29. We're $1 away from our goal. There's 30. It broke 30. We're gonna sell over 30 here. Selling over 30. Broke above 100% on the day. But holy crap, we are up a lot on this stock. Almost $9,000 profit on the trade. What a trade, man.